We've always been taught that our brain is the master commander. It thinks, it feels, and it sends orders to the rest of the body. But have you ever wondered why we say we have a gut feeling, or why you get butterflies in your stomach when you're nervous? It turns out that's not just poetry. It's biology. Deep within the walls of your digestive system lies the enteric nervous system. It contains over 100 million neurons, more than your spinal cord or your entire peripheral nervous system. Today, we are discovering that this second brain isn't just digesting your food. It is actively managing your mood, your stress levels, and your anxiety. If you've been struggling with your mental health, the solution might not be in your head. It might be in your microbiome. Meet the vagus nerve. In Latin, vagus means wandering, and that is exactly what this nerve does. It is the longest nerve in your body, acting as a high-speed fiber optic cable between your brain and your gut. For decades, science assumed the brain was the one doing all the talking. But recent breakthroughs in neuro-gastroenterology have revealed a shocking 80-20th split. 80% of the messages traveling along the vagus nerve are moving upwards. Your gut is constantly reporting to your brain about the state of your body. If your gut is inflamed, or if your microbiome is out of balance, it sends a danger signal to your brain. Your brain interprets this signal as anxiety, restlessness, or a sense of impending doom. You think you're stressed because of your job or your finances, but in reality, your brain is simply reacting to a distress call coming from your stomach. Let's talk about serotonin, the happiness molecule. If you ask most people where serotonin is made, they'll point to their head. They would be wrong. 95% of your body's serotonin is produced in your gut. Your gut bacteria, the trillions of microbes living inside you, are the primary manufacturers of the chemicals that dictate your mood. Specific strains like Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium also produce GABA, the brain's natural Valium that tells you to calm down and relax. When your good bacteria are killed off by the standard Western diet, high in sugar and low in fiber, your production of these feel-good chemicals plummets. This is why gut dysbiosis is now being linked by researchers at Harvard and Oxford to clinical depression and social anxiety. Your brain is literally starving for the chemicals your gut is failing to produce. But it gets deeper. In the Western countries, we are currently seeing an epidemic of intestinal permeability, more commonly known as leaky gut. Your gut lining is only one cell layer thick. Its job is to keep toxins out while letting nutrients in. But things like chronic stress, antibiotics, and ultra-processed emulsifiers found in modern bread and snacks act like a detergent, unzipping those cell barriers. When toxins leak into your bloodstream, your immune system goes into a state of high alert. This causes systemic inflammation. But here is the scary part. This inflammation can cross the blood-brain barrier. Scientists now believe that brain fog and anxiety are often just symptoms of a brain on fire. When your gut is leaking, your brain is inflamed, and an inflamed brain cannot feel calm. So, how do we fix the communication line? How do we stop the anxiety at the source? We use this gut-brain reset. Number 1, the 30-plant rule. Diversity is the key to mental health. Aim to eat 30 different types of plants every week. This includes nuts, seeds, herbs, and spices. A diverse microbiome is a resilient one. Number 2, feed the producers. Your bacteria need prebiotics, specifically fiber. Foods like leeks, onions, and asparagus produce short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, which heal the gut lining and calm the brain. Number 3. Probiotic inoculation. Introduce live cultures through fermented foods. In the UK and US, we've moved away from these, but kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi are like a software update for your mental health. Number 4. Vagus nerve activation. Since the nerve is a two-way street, you can hack your gut by calming your brain. Techniques like cold water immersion, splashing your face with ice water, or box breathing stimulate the vagus nerve, switching your body from fight or flight to rest and digest. For too long, we've treated the mind and the body as if they were separate. But the science is clear. They are a single, unified system. Your mental health isn't just a thought process, it's a biological one. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes. If you are struggling with severe mental health issues, please consult with a medical professional or therapist. We want to hear from you. Have you noticed your anxiety spikes after eating certain processed foods? Or have you tried adding fermented foods to your diet? Share your experience in the comments below. Your story might be the missing piece for someone else in our community. If you found this video about second brain helpful, hit the like button and explore our other protocols. We're here to help you master the science of you. Stay curious, stay healthy. We'll see you in the next one.